Having a house of their own in a peaceful community is the dream of every resident of the UPGK site in Central Quezon City.
Malaki ang pagkakaiba noon at saka ngayon.
Isa siyang bukid. Bukid siya na walang ganong nakatira.
Making the dream of a decent community is not a trouble-free task. There are many problems to face.
Kasi noon, unang-una wala pa kaming kasiguraduhan sa aming paninirahan kung hanggang saan na lang kami at hindi kami makatulog ng tahimik gawa ng yung mga demolisyon na nangyayari sa aming kapaligiran.
Through Kapit Bisig, the organization of the homeowners in Barrio Mabilog, the dream of a renewed neighborhood is made easy.
Yung lahat ng mga knowledge namin, pinagsama-sama namin, kung paano namin makamtan yung aming mithiin, hindi lamang sa pangsarili, kung hindi sa pangkalahatan.
Pero nung dumami-dami na ang mga tao rito, doon kami nagsimula na magkaroon ng asosasyon. As association kami, lumapit kami sa kanila para humingi ng tulong ng Kapit Bisig Homeowners Association na ngayon. Because kami na may-ari ng lupa at nagbayad na kami sa tunay na may-ari kay Mr. Dante Santos ng Amelia na monthly amortization.
Through the kindness of Mr. Dante Santos, the residents of Barrio Mabilog can now say that they own the land they live in.
Tumingin kami dito sa City Hall, ang nagbabayad ng lupa ay Dante Santos ng Amelia. Matagal niya na binabayaran po. Doon na kami nakiusap na ang packet talaga namin dito sa inyo ay bilhin yung lupa. Bilhin yung lupa, gusto namin siya magkasama ng process na yun. Kasi ginawa niya sa amin, hindi lang kami ni Bea, kundi pati mga anak namin hanggang sa susunod pa namin mga anak at generasyon.
Then came Gawad Kalinga, with many great plans for the members of Kapit Bisig.
Basically, the vision of GK is we would like to eradicate poverty in this nation. And we would like to basically provide hope for our brothers and sisters who have less in life.
Brother Tony na project manager ng GK site ng Visayas sabi nila, napadesisyonan nila, nagawan talaga ng bahay. In fact, napunta pa siya rito mismo si Tony Meloto, founder na halos ng Gawad Kalinga.
We have a GK 777 which yun ang target. We will build 700,000 homes in 7,000 communities in 7 years. Ang main talaga natin vision is to bring glad tidings to the poor. Now here in GK UP Central, we have UP. Magagawa natin ito because of this yung involvement ng youth.
Through Sibol, Siga, and Sagip, projects of Gawad Kalinga, the children of Barangay Kapit Bisig are educated and prepared for formal schooling.
Magkaroon kami ng mas maraming estudyante dito at saka yung makumpleto yung mga kailangan dito na eskwelahan. Additional na books para mas marami silang maintindihan.
Yung Sagip, mga batang binubuo ng 7 years old hanggang 13 years old. Sila yung mga ang Gawad Kalinga, pinasok yung pinamuna sila sa gift para doon sa ma-develop sila sa values, focus sila sa education. Kaya more tutorials sila,
Among the projects of Gawad Kalinga is the Mega Build, a monthly gathering of those who want to help realize the dreams of the community.
GK is not a regular construction program. Dito we rely mainly on yung bayanihan ng mga tao and also the youth, yung power ng youth coming from outside, which means na mostly dapat siguro ma-involve yung mga schools dito.
Many of the students in UP are now taking part in helping the Kapit Bisig community.
Kabataan daw ay ang pag-asa ng bayan.
Whatever we are doing for GK right now is basically we're doing this for the youth, and it's their way of leaving a legacy in their lifetime.
No form of explanation would suffice for UPGK to really explain what Gawad Kalinga is. So what we're asking the UP students is for you to go here or to come with us and to experience this. That's the only way to do it.
The growth of Barangay Kapit Bisig does not end here. Gawad Kalinga still has a lot of plans for this growing community that we can help achieve.
Maraming plano. Unang-una yung sa pagbibigay sa amin ng kabuhayan sa mga aming kababaihan. Sa mga kabataan namin, talagang i-develop yung mga talent nila. Tuloy pa rin ang Sibol School natin. Marami pa rin maraming nag-donate at saka gustong mag-donate pa para makatulong.
These are the dreams that I never dared to imagine. But they are not blurry as it once was. We can make them happen. Let us make them happen.
Sometimes we pray for hope, we look for hope, we dream for hope, not realizing hope is not something you just pray for. Hope is not something you just hope for. Hope is not just something you dream of. Hope is something you build with your own hands.
So you have only one country, and this is your country. In a way, helping this community is already helping the bayan at this point in time.
And some people think na kailangan pa yata maging mayaman. I need to be wealthy in order to be able to help in Gawad Kalinga. In UP, we have a different kind of wealth. We have a wealth of talent, a wealth of experience, and a wealth of knowledge.
Come and join us dito sa ating programang ito because it will really help our poor.
The task is difficult, but at the end of the day, if we could improve the lives of one household, I think that's the best thing that any fellow man would feel if you would be able to have a hand in improving a life for brothers and sisters, especially those who are blessed with life.